YouTube, welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space. It could be altcoins, it could be meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. In this video we're gonna be checking out Mobox or Mbox. And you know, this is very interesting because it has a lot of noise that's happening, a lot of partners, a lot of backers. This is a huge gem, guys, that I don't see anybody else talking about. Okay, nobody else talking about it, so we're gonna dive into it. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space because it is very risky and very volatile. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. Now when we take a look at Mobox, Mbox, guys, they have the Momoverse. They have partners right now here at the bottom scrolling. Alliance, Gala.io, a ton of backers. I even see Animoca Brands as one of their partners, and all you guys have to do is just do some quick research on Animoca Brands, guys. This right here reminds me of another Gala project or like a G-File as well, so I'll probably cover it on my bigger channels, guys, my other channels as well. But yeah, if you take a look, there's a bunch of games that are launched through Mbox, right? A ton of different games, and like I said, Gamefi will be the future, and this is what's going to start mass adoption for crypto. Once games and blockchain comes together, we'll see a lot of people from Web 2 move over to Web 3 to play Web 3 blockchain games, because you know that is a huge industry, guys. There's the Dragon Mode chain on Arbitrum, and BNB Smart Chain, the Momo Farmer. You can just connect with your wallet, guys. They have newly listed games as well. The top 5 Dragon Momo Farmer Chains, the Arena, Clash of Moland, Moland Defense. They have the tournament. They have tournaments and seasons for esports as well, guys. I'm telling you, this is one of those big projects that you don't want to miss out on. Look at all the trending games that they have over here: Modragon, Momoverse, Clash of Moland, Chains Arena, Moland Defense, Block Brawler, Token Master, guys. There's a ton of things. This project looks super bullish, man. I'm telling you guys. Sitting at, let me take a look right here. Sitting at $87 million in market cap. Yeah, 93 million according to CMC. Fully diluted is 183 million, which is pretty good. So that means that almost all the tokens are in circulation. You don't have to worry about the team dumping on you. Sitting at $100 million in market cap, a 10x to 100x for this project, $10 billion in market cap. It is one of those big projects, and I'll call for $1 billion to $10 billion for this project, guys. That's what I'm calling for, a 10x to 100x. I wouldn't rule it out at all. This is one of those great projects that you can't miss out on. Recently made some moves from the bottom, and as you guys can see, it looks like it's started its uptrend. Very bullish project, man. Very bullish project. You take a look at the CMC community, a lot of people are bullish on the project, man. Yeah, guys, all around looking very good, man. This is a banger of a project with so many games that's released. I'll definitely have to cover it on my main channel. Explore the future of gaming with Mobox, a community-owned platform that leverages blockchain tech and NFT interoperability to create a unique F2P metaverse, free-to-play metaverse. Free 29k followers, very active on Twitter. Bunch of likes and retweets, 100 likes, 100 retweets. Unleash the Dragon with Modragon. That's the game that's sparking off for everyone. Let's take a look at this quick trailer right here, guys, to close out the video. Get in the zone and defend your kingdom in Clash of Moland on Mobox. Wow, look at this, guys. All the so much character selection to choose from. You know, this reminds me, like I said, of the type of games like League of Legends with mythical, you know, fantasy, adventure-driven characters, guys. This is the thing that you like to. These are the things you like to see, because these are the type of games that get Web 2 gamers, the League of Legends fans, the Fortnite, Call of Duty fans into the Web 3 and blockchain space. Crazy, man. Gamefi Metaverse Clash of Moland. So basically, we've seen how successful mobile games are, guys. Mobile games, Android, iOS, and PC. So it's for Android, Apple, and desktop, okay? Right? So mobile games, mobile, however you pronounce it, have a lot of users, like a ton of users. And Mobox is hitting all three platforms with very great looking games, super bullish games, guys. A ton of them, okay? Blockchain for games. This reminds me of Gala, and it also reminds me of G-File games for a living. So hey, these are if you're into the metaverse gaming and that is your sector of crypto, this is a project you can't miss out on. I'm telling you guys, super great project from what I've seen so far after my bit of research, man. And that Animoca brand partnership is a lot, okay? That is, look into Animoca brands, guys. I'm telling you, that is a big deal. So yeah, that was Mobox. If you hold the project, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Mbox and myself will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.